Hot work-related fires can jeopardize the safety of your facilities, operations, and people. The factors are worth discussing. I'm Caitlin Spaker, and this is The Risk Factor. Data over 4 years reveals that fires cause up to $1.2 billion in property damage to manufacturers annually. A significant portion are caused by hot work activities, such as welding, grinding, and soldering. Imagine the losses from production delays, plant shutdowns, and lost customers. Now, let's factor in the power of combining data with Travelers' expertise. Over an 18-month period, we've helped more than 700 manufacturing customers address hot work risks within their organizations, turning data into actionable prevention measures. It's how we help our 25,000 manufacturing customers manage risks, including hot work fires. Factor in Travelers' expertise and take a proactive approach to hot work fire prevention.